Hello learners, as promised, we are going to begin with module 5th, and the name of this module is Website Planning and Development with the focus on keyword selection process. A keyword selection process is very significant in the overall website development and planning. Under this module, we will discuss various aspects of keyword selection process. Now let us have a look at what exactly we will discuss under this course. What is the meaning of keywords in context of website development? What are various types of keywords? And what are sources of keyword selection process? What is a keyword? Suppose you are looking for some information and you want to know more about specific product, organization, person, brand, or you have any specific problem and you want solution for it. From where will you get this information? It's very obvious that most of us will prefer to visit search engines like Google or Bing for this purpose. Depending upon your query, you may type a word or couple of words or a very long phrase and sometimes even a full question in the search bar of search engine and hit the enter. What is next? Search engine will show you the most relevant results that match with your keyword in the search engine result page, sometimes called SERP in short. In this case, whatever you have typed in the search bar is known as keyword in internet and digital marketing terminology. More precisely, keywords are the words and phrases in the web content that facilitate the visitors to find website via search engines. Let me show it. Suppose I am curious to pursue a course on digital photography. I will simply search in Google to have more information about digital photography courses by using different keywords like learn digital photography course, or digital photography course online, and blah blah. Google is so quick to show me the results. Whatever result Google is showing me in the form of web pages have those keywords that I typed in search engine to search for a website. You can see here, all the results are having keywords that I typed in the search bar, though not in the same order. Though it would be very early to say, but admit it at very first instance that it is very important to include all the keywords in a website that visitors use to search for your website. Hope you have understood the meaning of keywords. So after understanding the meaning of keywords, now let us discuss various types of keywords. Primarily, there are 4 types of keywords, and I will explain these 4 types from a business point of view. The 4 types of keywords are primary keywords, sub-primary keywords, secondary keywords, sub-secondary keywords. Let us discuss them one by one. First, primary keywords. Primary keywords represent your core business. That means words associated with your core business. Suppose you are a company offering services in marketing research. Think few words that can represent your core business. Think for a while. Okay, let me tell you. These words may be marketing research agency, marketing research company, marketing research services, and many more. These are very generic keywords, and most of other businesses might be using them. Now we have second type of keywords, that is sub-primary keywords. Sub-primary keywords are extended version of primary keywords. Here you expand your primary keywords like best marketing research agency, best marketing research company, best marketing research services, and so on. Thirdly, we have secondary keywords. Secondary keywords represent your product and services. To identify such keywords, make a list of product or services of your company, like in case of marketing research firm, secondary keywords may be questionnaire design services, survey building and hosting, data collection and reporting. Similarly, there can be sub-secondary keywords. These keywords represent subcategories of product and services like quantitative data collection, qualitative data collection, survey hosting are the examples of subcategories of data collection services, and these can be used as sub-secondary keywords. I try to give you the brief idea about various types of keywords. But the question is, do I always start with these type of categories while planning for a website? The answer is no, because there is no predefined rule for defining the keywords. These 4 types of keywords are just indicative in the nature, and it depends and vary from website to website and from business to business when we define various types of keywords. Let me give you an example. For example, you have a business and you don't have any subcategory of product and services. So in this case, you need not to explain or find any type of sub-secondary categories of the keywords.